What if I told you there's a place where elephants bathe in rivers, roam freely and share stories of survival right in the heart of Sri Lanka? Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with Dee and Nat. Today we are at the famous Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. We arrived just before the gates opened to make sure we didn't miss a single moment with these incredible animals. There were already a lot of people at the gate, both local and foreign tourists. You can purchase tickets at the counter. Here, you can buy both general entry tickets and tickets for special activities such as walking with elephants and bathing elephants. Let's go and explore this incredible place. We are now watching freely roaming elephants from the covered weaving shed. There were 67 elephants at this facility under the care of incredibly friendly staff when we visited in March 2024. Every elephant in this facility has its own name, and we will introduce some of them later when we interact with them. Do you know where that caretaker is taking that elephant? Here he comes, approaching the elephant feeding platform. You can feed these gentle giants from this spot. Fruit trays are available for purchase at this table, and you can hand feed the elephants from here. This is Sapumali, and the elephant is about 28 years old. More elephants will arrive at the platform later.
So we're going to walk with the elephant. You have to take a ticket for nearly 1,100 rupees. You can take the ticket from the counter. So they're going to start the walk with elephants soon. So we are just getting ready for that.
Here comes the elephant that we are going to walk with. This is Neela. He is one of the first elephants at this facility. Very tame and loves interacting with humans. He was born in 1964 and was brought to Pinnawala in 1975. He has fathered several baby elephants here, and he even has grandchildren now. We had so much fun interacting with Neela. We took thousands of photos and even got to touch, hug, and cuddle him. Also, I'd like to give a special thank you to the extremely friendly crew who made our experience even more memorable. Now it's time for the elephants to head to the river. They all look excited to take a bath. You can see them walking in a line, swaying their trunks and flapping their ears with joy. To watch the elephants bathe, you need to exit the premises and cross the road to get to the river. Can you see the elephants still crossing the road on their way to the river? Just a heads up, your entry tickets will be checked again here before you head to the river. Here comes Neela. He's done walking with the visitors and now he is eagerly heading to the river. According to his caretakers, going to the river is one of his favorite things to do each day. I am about to bathe the elephants in the river. The crew was super friendly and really careful while guiding me into the river. Just a heads up, you will need to buy a separate ticket and show it before you can enter the river. I had the chance to spend more time with Neela by helping bathe him. I've never been this close to an elephant before. This will be an everlasting memory for us for sure. This sweet elephant is giving me a shower with his trunk. Sadly, I didn't get to ask his name. I had a fabulous time in the water, and now it's time to get out. If you are visiting Sri Lanka, we highly recommend a trip to Pinnawala. It's an unforgettable experience. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.